Oh my God, y'all. And yet, here I am with another video from the stupid sector. I cannot believe how stupid people really are. It's amazing. It's astounding. It's like people like neuroscience, if they want to study the brain and I don't know. Anyway, Purple Knights over there is your sector. Go check it out and her cast of characters. Anyway, y'all, how am I going to break this down? This is so dumb. I should really do a live on it, and I probably will. Kind of got to hurry because I actually work. I don't scroll people's channels looking to find out who the Poo channel is. Now, my A1 Day ones that have been subscribed to me for a long time, I know y'all are wondering, what the hell is a Poo channel? It's a long story and we'd be here all day. But it's a channel. It's like a clip channel. They clip the ignorance in this other sector I've been in. God help me. But I have met some amazing people there. But Purple and crew, bless their hearts, they have accused everybody in this sector of being the Poo channel. Now, the Poo channel, whoever is behind it, she has shown herself one time she is an African-American woman. So they now think this woman, Karen, is actually going to come up, and this is where I come in. Karen is going to come up on this panel. And Purple, I'll drop your link in the channel. Fair use, educational. You know the drill. And no, Purple, I wouldn't have struck you if you played it. I want y'all to make an ass of yourself. But anyway, Karen comes up on this panel and thinks that she has cracked the case on who the Poo channel is. Now, if y'all remember yesterday, I did a video on this lady named Heidi. Okay, Heidi has actually called the police on the Poo channel. I kid y'all not. You can't help but clown on these fools. You can't help it. So anyway, Karen comes up and she believes she has cracked the code that I am somehow the Poo channel because Velvet, y'all know, like I said, my subscribers have been with me for a long time, know my content. They're probably a little confused right now, but they know my content. I've given commentary on an online sex cult that was online for years. We know who Velvet is. Velvet is not the Poo channel, and I am not the Poo channel because Velvet had a battery that she needed to change. But Karen comes up after scrolling through one of my old videos and thinks that she has found out who the Poo channel is. And they're actually going to reach out to Velvet. This should be great, y'all. We're going to watch this unfold. I hope they reach out to Velvet because we all know how Velvet is. She's very temperamental, so good luck to you. And she's pregnant. She don't care about you weirdos. But I'm going to let this play so y'all get a better understanding. It's so hard to explain because it's so stupid.
So what, the video?
Yeah, in a minute. It's a very short video. I just need you to show maybe a couple of seconds of it. Hey, remember how we were trying to figure out who Pooh was?
I can't.
And Pooh showed a little bit of a picture of somebody and we couldn't figure out who it was. Is everybody with me so far?
Or you just want me to show the...
All idiots, are you with Karen so far? Your head idiot wants to know. Head idiot Karen wants to know if all idiots are with her so far. Lord help them.
No, not yet, please.
Well, I'm just asking.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, I can do that.
All right. You remember when in one of Pooh's videos, he broke down the picture of, I showed this to Jenna earlier, and I just asked her what she thinks, and I said, I think I nailed it. She said, yes, I think you did. And Pooh...
Can't believe this. They think they've nailed it. Karen and Jenna think they have solved the case on the Pooh channel, y'all, and they're dead ass serious. Y'all are going to get this work. I'm going to clown you so hard.
Revealed a picture of this person, of revealing the person. Do you remember that?
I do.
Okay. I was asking Heidi too if she remembers.
I think.
I can't see any chat or nothing.
At this point, I'm not even sure poor old Purple is in agreement with this, but we'll find out. I don't even think Purple believes this. I think even she thinks this is getting a little stupid, but we'll see. We'll see.
Lord.
So, all right, Iris, remember when Pooh was making the bunch of the videos and we all kept trying to figure out who Pooh was, and supposedly Pooh revealed a face of...
Yes, I remember that.
Pooh. Yeah, okay.
I saw
Now,
a picture.
Now they think that this picture of Pooh, I can't believe I'm saying this, they think that Pooh is Velvet. I am not lying, y'all. They think Pooh is Velvet Gabriela Marquez, the wife and mother of Eligio Bishop, now with Solar. I can't believe the crossover here because of this dumbass Karen. And she really is a Karen. She has lived up to her name. Matter of fact, that's where it came from. She is the founder of Karen's.
and then somebody heard a beeping in the background of a fire alarm going off, like it needed a battery.
Yep.
Okay. Now, there's a video I sent to Purple. It's not this person in the video.
No!
It's the person that's showing the video.
You know who that person is? It's me doing commentary on Velvet from months back. But they believe I'm the Pooh channel. Because Velvet's fire alarm was beeping like y'all can't make this shit up. Uh-oh, you hear that beeping? Well, I outed myself. Here we go.
It's this girl, Violet. Real
Violet.
person.
Velvet, idiot.
But in the video that Purple's going to show is a real girl. Her name is Violet.
Velvet.
And in Violet's
Oh, hell.
video, she has a beeping that she needs. She don't want me to say anything. Karen, stop.
Okay.
Okay?
I want y'all to look down. Karen, no, don't say nothing. That's how dumb they are. In just a second, she's going to type. Jenna is going to type, I reached out to Velvet. Now, y'all, we're going to be here for this. We ain't going to miss a second. If I have to take vacation, damn it, I am not missing this. Now, real quick, I'm going to show you what video Karen is talking about. Karen, I know you're listening since you're going all through my videos. I've been here a while. I've been here since 2019. I started doing video. My channel says 2015, but I wasn't really a channel. I was just a subscriber watching documentaries. But Karen has went through all of my videos. Now I'm going to show you real quick what video Karen discovered that she thinks me or Velvet is the Pooh channel. I can't even keep straight. Hold on, y'all. Try to put him outside. He looks at me like I'm leading him to the slaughter. Thank you, Velvet. I'm still going on with my commentary, though, so y'all might hear a dog pacing behind me. It's Velvet's fault. Miss everything I touch turns to gold.
who meet me, who come in contact with me, will experience that. Period. And I know that.
Now, because things are still the same as they were back then, I'm not going to go to the part where the beeping starts because I don't need my dog pacing. He needs his nails trimmed, and that's all y'all hear in the background. Velvet needed to change her fire alarm or her smoke detector battery. It's beeping. This video is what Karen believes cracked the case on who the Poo channel is. I can't believe I'm giving commentary on this right now. Hold on. Okay, now we're back to the shit show for real. Back to the idiots. Now, here we go. I'm going to play a little bit more of this. Here we go, y'all. I can't believe this is a thing.
Through it already. Okay. Why you're gonna do something, Iris? Now they're all on suspense. I still didn't give it away who it was yet.
Jenna said, no, don't say anything.
Okay.
Jenna said, no, don't say anything. Because she's going to reach out to Velvet herself. Y'all, this is going to be amazing.
So, Mystic Firefly.
Hello,
Because I didn't reveal who Pooh is yet.
She hasn't revealed it yet,
But I know
y'all.
who Pooh is.
She knows who he is, though. Or she.
Now that, okay, Jenna, but then now Purple's gonna know who it is. So Purple, don't reveal who Pooh is.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I know.
Shit. I'm even Heidi cracked me up. Oh, for fuck's sake. For real. Somebody put a beat on that.
Well, Jenna, just stop me.
You guys are gonna sit here and do this to us?
I know.
again?
Come on, Jenna, let me finish. What are you doing? Jenna, why?
Because she's going to reach out to
This is
Velvet
unfair.
herself.
I've been digging for months to figure out who this fucking was.
For months. For months, Karen has went through all of my videos where I give commentary on a cult. Document a cult that is no more. So for months, Karen has been going through my channel. Now, Karen, you better hit that subscribe and you better have liked all the videos since you solved the case, dummy. I cannot.
I finally fucking got it. I've been sitting. Oh, fuck. Why?
Oh, she said, go ahead. She said, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. So,
Tell us.
I've been digging and digging. And I came across, how I came across this is I was just going through
Uh-huh. Tell us,
this
Karen.
group, because it's going to reveal, so I got to be careful.
Uh-huh. Be very careful.
I was going through this group that we have a conflict with. And I wanted to see, out of this group, who had channels. And lo and behold,
Here
I
we-
came across this one person.
Somebody? Anybody? You got a clue? Drums, please. The suspense is building. Karen has cracked the case. Like, I can't even be mad. Because this is so ridiculous. I can't do anything but laugh at him. Here we go.
And bingo!
Bingo! The
You want to show the video of who really is
Poo.
the Pooh channel?
I can't believe this is happening.
I don't know what's on this video.
Well, who's playing the video? Who did I send it from?
From
You
me.
sent it from the soup.
Yes. Play the video.
I'll show the picture and maybe we can drop the link in the chat. But
Again, let me show you all the video. Y'all know. The people that's been with me a long time, y'all already know. And I know y'all are thinking, Soup, how did you find these people? I don't know. It's a long story. Hold on.
Period. And I know that. And I stand.
This is the video of me watching Velvet giving commentary like so many other channels do. But somehow this makes me the Pooh channel, who is a clip channel that clips Purple and her gang a lot because they're so stupid they needed their own clip channel. I mean, it's so easy. They make it so easy. This is the video. Now let's go back to the dumbasses. Hold on.
I'll show the picture and maybe we can drop the link in the chat. But this bitch will strike me. Guaranteed.
I wouldn't strike you, Purple. I'm not copywritten, righted, you could have played it. I wish you would have played it and made an ass of yourself. But I'm thinking maybe you think this ain't what it is either. Like maybe you're slightly embarrassed, but I don't know.
She will?
Oh, it's just soup. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Now they say that with such confidence, like they know. I have never struck them. They've never played anything of mine. I wouldn't strike them. Fair use. My stuff is not copywritten. You people are stupid. And they say this with such conviction, as if they've ever played any of my videos. You see how they just say shit just to be saying it? Like it's, oh yeah, she would. You hear Heidi back there. Oh yeah, yeah, she would strike. Oh yeah, I know. No, you don't.
fuck. Well, Soup is. She plays this girl.
Mm-hmm.
See the girl? Remember her being in
Yeah.
Pooh's channel?
Yeah.
Okay. As she's fighting with this girl because she has a conflict, her name is Violet.
Her name is Velvet, and I'm not fighting with this girl, you idiot. Karen, I know you're going to watch this. No, I've done explained it. I don't have a conflict with this girl. I can't even take this seriously.
She's back and forth with this girl Violet in many things.
Yeah.
And you hear beep, 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 beep. And she's like, I wish.
That's Velvet. Let me go back.
At this point in my life turns to gold because I have a pure heart and I have nothing but pure love to give and anybody.
But in the meantime, in between time, this girl is sick. That's the video. And here's my dog. You hear him in the background. This is the video that Karen thinks that she has solved the case that I am the Poo channel, y'all. Because Velvet won't change her fire alarm. Her smoke detector battery. That's the beeping in the background. Somehow, I guess they watched a video from the Poo channel. And the Poo channel had beeping in the background. So Karen now believes that she has solved the case. You can't make this shit up, y'all. You can't. Oh, hold on. Let's go back to the dumbasses.
Beep, 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 beep. And she's like, I wish she's driving my dogs nuts or something to that. I just wish she put a battery in it.
So you're saying the Soup is the Pooh channel?
Oh my God.
If you go back and look at the Soup and go back.
There's that link to the video.
Yeah.
So
If you watch it, you'll see this girl, but go back to Soup's channel and you'll see her back 4 or 5 months ago. She's not in the live. She's in a lot of the shorts and videos. You'll see this girl all over. She's a real person.
But
Yes, Velvet is a real person. I cannot believe this is your evidence. I cannot believe you submitted this to the people as your evidence. Karen, I can't believe I thought you were the smartest out of these idiots. I can't believe I even felt sorry for you not too long ago. You are nothing but a genuine Karen. I'm not even mad because this is so ridiculous. Who could get mad? Like, it's so dumb. Like, I'm having a battle of the wits with people that are completely unarmed. Whew.
Amy is down in chat saying Monica.
No, it's not Monica. This girl is a beeping. It's not Monica.
This girl is a beeping.
Watch the video because Jenna was confused too. Watch the video.
Well, is there anything new there that Jenna was confused? Jenna is going to try to DM Velvet to ask her if I'm the Poo channel. Like, I can't even, like, I'm dead. Y'all are so stupid.
Well, like I said, I dropped the link for anybody to go watch it.
This girl, it seems like it was Monica. Listen to this girl. Go watch the video, guys.
Yeah,
See,
go watch
Jenna's
it.
been saying, not Monica. It's not Monica.
I'll take your word for it. I haven't heard the video, and I'm not gonna like. Pause
It's only you only have to listen to like less than 2 minutes of it, and you hear the.
Even purple. Even purple is like, nah, I don't think this is it, Karen. But go ahead, go off. Even purple, y'all.
Beeping in the background. It's not Monica, guys.
Headphones and listen to it, but I'm not gonna play her.
I wouldn't have struck you, purple.
And there's so many videos of this girl that she has a conflict with. And you
See what an idiot she is? There's so many videos of this girl that she's got a conflict. I never had a conflict with Velvet. I've interviewed Velvet. This was a cult, but I'm not explaining this to these dumbasses. They're just completely lost in the sauce to stay. Forever trying to figure out who the Poo channel. Hey, Poo channel, whoever you are, man, you have got these people shook. They are every day blaming somebody else for being who you are, who we might be, who they seem to be. Even Jenna thought that she got the Poo channel one time because Jenna's a hacker. She thought she got her one time with an IP address. She claimed that the Poo channel lived in California. She might, I don't know. No one really knows who they are. They're a clip channel. They stay behind the scenes. They're not commentary, reaction, none of that. They are a clip channel, so they stay behind the scenes. And two, I am not good with edits. Clip channels, you got to be good with edits. But, Jenna, please reach out to Velvet. Please do us all a favor and reach out to Velvet. I want it to be an authentic, because we know, Jenna, you make up your own. You'll pretend like what Jenna will do will act like she's that person, or that person is talking to her when it's just her talking to herself. So I'll know if it's Velvet or not, but please do. Oh my God, please make an ass of yourself. We'll just play a few minutes of this.
all this beeping all the time. Monica's not the only one that doesn't replace a battery, guys.
Yeah, a lot of people don't.
So, and we don't know this girl, Velvet.
No, you don't.
Right? So, it's to throw us off who it was.
You out here. Karen really believes in this. She says it's to throw us off. Anybody got that clip when Jim Terry asked her, "Are you an attorney? Hey, Karen, are you an attorney?" I might add it to this. Oh, but I'm not a clip channel. Shit.
And Purple and everybody's had a problem with the circle jerks. So, and it's not that it's the circle jerks, but it's one.
Now, y'all know I am part of a group called the Circle Jerks. We're a group of women that ain't nothing but jerks. We're jerks. We gave it a silly name. We just break down what's going on in this other sector. So, that's what that is. Not the Poo channel again.
Of them. It's the soup. It's the girl's soup.
It's the girl's soup.
Oh, yeah, I know you're saying it's not Monica. Monica needs a battery. Yeah. But that was the trip up. You heard this beep that one a couple of times in Pooh's channel. She used her fake.
Okay, so because the Poo had a battery, a 9-volt that needed to be changed, and Velvet had a 9-volt that needed to be changed, not me, That solved the case. Karen has now put it all together, and I am Pooh. Y'all. I don't think I've ever done a video like this. I don't really think I have. My commentary is almost lost. Because I can't do nothing but laugh at him.
He's in that one channel, in that one video when you heard the beep. Just go watch it and you'll see what I'm talking about. Jen had to watch it.
Can you text me the link?
Yeah, I'll do it to you. For you.
All right.
Okay, just give me a second, huh?
Yeah, I heard the
what I'm
beep.
talking about. Give me 1 second, Heidi.
Look, y'all, that's all I can take of this dumbassery, this fuckery. Let the dumbasses continue. I'm sure they'll go live again this morning talking about the Soup is the Pooh channel. Please do continue to make an ass of yourself. You know, it at least gives me a laugh. I'll probably go live on this with somebody very soon. But no, I'm not even going to justify this with anything like saying, no, I'm not. It's just so stupid, y'all. These people really exist. And, man, there's more idiots in the world than I originally thought. And they're all over YouTube. I don't know what happened to YouTube. But anybody with an email, they can start a channel and do dumb shit like this right here. And then I can give commentary on the dumb... Man, these people really exist. Anyway, Karen, keep digging. And while you're digging, hit the like. Subscribe. Please. Anyway, I'm out, y'all. See you later. I will be doing a video later on... Matter of fact, I'm not going to bring that into what I'm talking about right now because that's totally different. Anyway, y'all, I'm out. Y'all have a blessed and beautiful day.